Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. This right here is my CVS haul for this week. Everything you see behind me was completely free and a $5.29 moneymaker. Now there's a few more deals I wanted to do, but the store was out of stock on a few things and I just didn't feel like going to another store. So if you want to see how I picked up all of these items, keep on watching. Now, in this video, I will be announcing the $50 gift card winner from FLUZ. I forgot to announce the winner 2 weeks ago. I'm a busy woman. I got a job that I have to attend, and I still try to bring you guys these deals, so I apologize. Now, if you downloaded FLUZ using my code, keep on watching. You might be the winner of the gift card.
Okay guys, so I'm starting with Revlon. It's buy two, get $5 back, and you can do this deal 6 times. So I am picking up 4 of the Revlon Kiss Bombs, and it's $5.99 at this store. That's gonna be $23.96. I have a 5 off of 20 Revlon CRT, and I'm gonna be using 4 of these $3 coupons. That's gonna take $17 off. I'll be left to pay $6.96, and I'll get $10 back, making it all free and a $3.04 moneymaker.
Okay, so this is my deal for Tresemme. It's 2 for $10. Buy 2, get $2 back. And you can only do this deal one time. So $10 minus this 4 off of 2 manufacturer's coupon. And this is expired from last save. There's a 4 off of 2 digital that's going to glitch and come off. I'll be left to pay $2, but I'll get $2 back, making it completely free. Now, if you don't have any paper coupons, you can pick up these down here. They are 2 for $9, get $2 back. There are 2 $3 coupons that's attaching. You'll pay $3 but get $2 back, making both of them just $1. Okay, so I'm doing the deal that everyone is doing this week. It's 3 for $15, buy 3, get $10 back. I have a 5 off of 3 paper coupon. There is also a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that's going to glitch and come off. I will pay $5 and I'll get $10 back, making it completely free and a $5 moneymaker. Now, if you pick up the small ones, 3 for $12, there's a $5 digital coupon that's going to come off. You'll pay $7, but you'll get $3 back, making it free and a $3 moneymaker. And that's if you have no paper coupons, you can do the deal with the digital only, okay? Okay, so I'm going to show you this deal. The whole blends are 2 for $7. There's nothing back. I have a CRT, so 4 of them will be $14. You can use 2 of the 4 off of 2 printable coupons from coupons.com from a while ago. I have a 4 for $14 CRT. That's going to take $12 off. You're going to pay just $2 for all 4 bottles, or 50 cents each, but I do not need this, and that's kind of steep for my price. Okay, so the OGX, it's buy 2, get $4 back. At buy 1, get 150% off. Now you can pick up 2 of the products at $8.59. One will be $8.59. The other one will be $4.29. That's $12.88. Now, you can use this 2 off of 2 manufacturer's coupon. There's also a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that's going to glitch and come off. And I have a $2 CRT. So you'll pay $6.88, getting 4 back, making it $2.88.
Okay guys, so if you have this 11 off of 16 CRT, you can pick up some of the Babu paper towels or toilet paper, whichever one you want. Now the CRT is for paper towels, but it's attaching to the toilet paper, and the toilet paper is buy 1, get 2 free. So you can pick up 6 packs and it's $10.99. Pick up 6 packs, it's gonna take off the $11, and you'll be left to pay $10.98, and there's nothing back but $10.98, and you'll get 6 packs completely free. I know it's rough and it's probably gonna hurt your booty, but 6 packs for $10 is not too bad. You can donate it to somebody who really needs it. Okay guys, happy Valentine's to every one of you. Now if you have these CRTs, you can do this deal. You can pick up 2 of the cards, that's 2 for $4, and you can pick up 4 of the 49-cent bags. I have 2 CRTs. I have a 3 off of 6 and a 2 off of 3. That's going to take $5 off, and you'll be left to pay just $1 for 2 cards. Now, one for your husband or your wife, and one for your mom or dad or whoever you want to give it to.
Okay, so the Oral-B toothbrushes, it's spend $15, get $7 back. And you can do this deal 2 times. Now you can pick up the kids' toothbrushes, or you can pick up the adult toothbrushes over here, and they cost a little more. So 4 will be $33.16. I'll be using 2 of the $10 off coupons. That's going to take $20 off. I'll pay $13.16, but I'll get $14 back because I did the deal 2 times, making them completely free and an 84-cent moneymaker. If you only have 1 coupon, pick up 2. You'll pay $6.58 after one of the coupons, making it free and a 42-cent moneymaker. Okay, so I have a CRT for $3 that's attaching to this Listerine for $2.99, which is going to make it completely free, and you have to have your cashier apply it, so remember that, okay? So this will be completely free. Okay, so the L'Oreal is spend $20, get $7 back. I picked up 2 of the brow pencils at $10.79. That came to $21.58. Now I have a 7 off of 21 CRT and a $2 digital coupon. I'm going to be using a $2 printable coupon for the second product. I will pay $10.58 and I'll get $7 back, making it just $3.58. For some reason, I thought I had a 7 off of 21 and a $7 CRT, so I calculated way wrong, and my total came to $7 and like 50 something cents. And then I'm like, oh, I only had 1 coupon. Anyway, that's not too bad. Okay guys, look what I saw at the back of my store. I am super excited. We have Paparazzi, and that's the higher priced products. So they're 2 for $8 right now. I cannot wait till we get some coupons or we get some extra bucks deal so I can pick up some of these items. Check your store, you might have them as well. Okay, so this is my Colgate deal. And there are multiple deals, so make sure you are picking up the correct products because there are a bunch of different Colgate deals going on. So I'm doing the one that's $3.99, buy 2, get $5 back. So $3.99 buy 2, that's $7.98. I'm going to be using a $1 printable coupon for 1 product, and I have a $2 digital for the second one. I'll pay $5.98 and I'll get $5 back from CVS, but I'm going to get back $2 on coupons.com after I scan my receipt, making it free and a $1.02 moneymaker. So if you have coupons.com, make sure you clip that $2 coupon and it will be free for you. Okay guys, so the Dove is spend $30, get $10 back, and I do not get any Dove coupons, so I have to get my Dove whenever it goes on sale or whenever there is a promotion. So I'm picking up 4 at $8.99, that's $35.96. I'm going to be using 2 of these 4 off of 2 coupons. There is a 3 off of 3 digital coupon that's going to glitch and come off, and I have a 10 off of 25 coupon that was emailed to me. After all of the coupons, I'll pay $14.96 and I'll get $10 back, making them just $4.96. And I'm going to scan my receipt to fetch. Hopefully I'll get some points, which will soak up some of that cost of $4.96. Okay, so you can do the body wash deal. If you have the buy 1 get 1 free coupon, it will be an amazing deal, especially if you have a body wash CRT. Now, This is also included in the buy 3, get $10 back. If you have the $1 coupons, they expired yesterday, you can pick up 3 of the Dawn Power Wash. That's going to be $16.50. You can use 3 of these $1 coupons. It's going to come down to $13.50, but you'll get $10 back, making them just $3.50. Now, some people got a $3 CRT. If you are one of those lucky people, you can use it and it will just be 50 cents for all 3 products.
Okay guys, so the Kellogg's products, it's $1.99. There's nothing back, so I picked up 3 boxes at $1.99. That came to $5.97, and I used some of the overage to cover that cost. And the Paparazzi hand soap, that's the free product I decided to pick up on both of my cards. So if you have that free CRT, you can pick up the hand wash or the lip gloss and something else, okay? Okay, so these are my receipts. Everything came off as expected. I used $5 in extra bucks. I paid $3.35, and I got back $10. On this one, this is a Tresemme, just that only. I paid $2 and I got $2 back. This one was the Colgate, the Tresemme on my other card. And for some reason, I thought I had 2 $7 L'Oreal CRTs. So I calculated a 7 off of 21 and a $7 CRT, which I was incorrect. We all make mistakes. So this was $7 more than I expected. So I used $17 in extra bucks and I paid $7. But I got back $7 for the L'Oreal, $7 for the Oral-B, $5 for the Optic White, which is the Colgate, and $2 for the Tresemme on this card, making that a $3 cost. On my second card, this is the Dove and the Tresemme. No, not Tresemme. The Dove and the Colgate. So I had a 10 off of 25, which I used on this one, and I used 2 $10 extra bucks, and I got back the $10 for spending 30 on Dove, $5 for the Optic White, and I got $2 back from coupons.com for the Optic White. This right here is the Pantene on my second card. And I used the Pantene and the Oral-B. I used $16 and I got back $17. And that is it. So guys, this is everything I picked up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.